السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا طلابي الأعزاء على قناة الإمام الشافعي. درسنا اليوم مخصص للكتابة، كتابة الرسائل الإلكترونية. هناك نوعان من الرسائل الإلكترونية: Formal Emails، الرسائل الرسمية، وهي رسائل مخصصة للتقدم للأعمال وللشكوى وللمقالات الأكاديمية. النوع الآخر من الرسائل هو الرسائل الغير رسمية Informal Emails، وهذه الرسائل موجهة للأهل والأصدقاء والأشخاص المقربين. فسوف نتطرق اليوم إلى الرسائل الغير رسمية في الكتابة، فأتمنى لكم أن تستفيدوا وأن تعم الفائدة للجميع بإذن الله. Dear Grade 11 Core, we are in Unit 5, Theme 1, page number 11, and this is semester number 1. Let's now deal with task number 2. When you have an exam and you were asked to write an email, first of all you should read the question carefully and to paraphrase the sentence. Let's now see this example. Example A. You can start in this way: I am writing to. Then you should write infinitive of the verb. And how to find the infinitive is in the sentence. You have to find the main verb. We have got here thanking, so we are going to use thank as the main verb for our sentence or our topic sentence. I am writing to thank. Then remember that you are talking to the person you are writing to, so I'm not going to say I want to thank her, because you are going to talk to that person. You will say you, and instead of saying she, you will say also you. And because you are the person who is writing, you will not say give you, you will say give me. Okay, so we have to change the pronouns and be careful about that, dear student. Let's now read it together. I am writing to thank you for the money you gave me to buy some new clothes for Eid. Now let us move to sentence B. We are going to do the same. You can stop the video and think of the main verb that we are going to use after I am writing to. So it's explain. Good students, I know you have got the right answer here. Then you complete your topic sentence. Why? Then we are not going to use or to write your, you will use what? My. Good. So we will write here my. My homework is always late. So let me read it to you again. I am writing to explain why my homework is always late. So we have completed now sentence B. Now you are going to do the same with the other three sentences, and we have got here three topics that we can write about. Now we will choose one of these or one of these 5 topic sentences to write it in the letter that we are writing now, or the email message. First of all, we will complete this table from the person who is writing the letter. Here we have got Ali, to and Selma, and here we have got the date and the subject line. You can get the subject line from the topic sentence. Here we have got thanking my aunt. I have chosen the first one. Now let us move to the actual writing. We have got here 6 steps that we should follow. We'll start with greeting. You can use dear and Selma, hello and Selma, or hi and Selma. Don't forget to write the comma after writing this phrase. Number 2, or step number 2, you are going to ask the recipient an introductory question. Who is the recipient? The recipient is the person you are writing to. What are you going to say? How are you? And how is your family? You can also talk about the job or about the person's job. You will say, how is your job? Or his exam or her exams, and so on. Let's now move to number 3. We are going to describe where we are and what we are doing in general. I have got a few spare minutes at home, so I thought I would send you an email. In number 4, you will write the topic sentence that you wrote in task number 2, and I have chosen A, so I'm going to write this topic sentence here. I am writing to thank you for the money you gave me to buy some new clothes for Eid, and then you can add supporting sentences and more information about the topic. So this is step number 4. In step number 5, you have to think of a reason to stop writing. You have got here this example. Anyway, I must go. I have got some homework to finish. You can say, my father is calling me. I must go, and so on. In the last step, you have to say goodbye and to sign your name. For example, all the best, best wishes, see you soon, and don't forget to write comma after you write this phrase, and finally write your name. I hope now you can write your own email. Thank you very much for watching. كان معكم الأستاذ سعيد الغداني، معلم أول بمدرسة الإمام الشافعي.